In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chat GPT with Zapier for blog articles. If you want to streamline your content creation process and make it easier to publish blog posts automatically, this is a great workflow to learn. The goal here is to create a prompt that tells Chat GPT exactly what kind of article output you need, so the result is structured in a way that works smoothly with Zapier. To begin, go into Chat GPT and create a prompt that clearly defines the task. In this case, the prompt should instruct ChatGPT to act as an expert content writer and SEO specialist. You want it to generate a high-quality SEO-optimized blog article that is ready to be published automatically through a Zapier workflow. This is important because you are not just asking for a simple article. You are asking for content that is organized and detailed enough to connect with an automation tool. Within that same prompt, ask for all the key elements needed for publishing. That includes an engaging title, a meta description, a slug, a featured image prompt, structured headings, keyword-rich content, frequently asked questions, internal and external link suggestions, image alt text, tags, categories, and a compelling call to action. Also, make sure to ask ChatGPT to format the output so that each section can be easily mapped to Zapier fields for automatic publishing to your blog. This part matters a lot. The more specific and organized your prompt is, the easier it will be to use the response later inside your automation. If the sections are clearly separated, Zapier can map them much more cleanly into the right fields in your publishing workflow. That helps reduce manual editing and saves time. Once you have entered the full prompt, review it briefly to make sure it includes everything you need. It is always a good idea to be precise here, because better instructions usually lead to better output. If you plan to use this often, you may also want to keep this prompt saved somewhere so you can reuse it for future blog articles. After that, click Submit. ChatGPT will then generate the article content based on your instructions. From there, you can use the response as the content source for your Zapier automation and move closer to a more hands-off blog publishing process. That's it for this setup. With a strong prompt and a structured response, you create the foundation for automated, SEO-friendly blog article generation using ChatGPT and Zapier.